Mastering English phrases. Understanding a U-turn. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a really interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, a U-turn. Have you ever heard someone say, I made a U-turn, and wondered what they meant? Well, you're in the right place, because today, we're going to break down this phrase and help you understand how to use it in everyday conversation. A U-turn is a phrase used to describe a complete reversal in direction or decision. This can be applied to both physical movement, like when you're driving a car, or metaphorically, to describe a change in opinion or plan. Example in driving. When someone is driving and they realize they are going the wrong way, they might make a U-turn, which means they turn their car around in the shape of a U to go back in the opposite direction. Example in decision-making. If someone has a change of heart or mind about a decision, they might say they are making a U-turn in their decision, meaning they are completely reversing their previous choice. Now that we know what a U-turn is, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. Example 1. After driving for an hour in the wrong direction, she realized her mistake and made a U-turn. Example 2. He was planning to sell his car, but made a U-turn when he realized how much he would miss it. Example 3. The government made a U-turn on their policy after public backlash. In each of these examples, a U-turn is used to describe a reversal in direction or decision. When learning a new phrase, it's just as important to know how not to use it. Here are a couple of common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Don't use a U-turn to describe a slight change or adjustment. It implies a complete reversal. Mistake 2. Don't confuse a U-turn with just turning or changing direction slightly. A U-turn is more dramatic and complete. And that's everything you need to know about the phrase, a U-turn. Remember, whether you're talking about driving or making decisions, a U-turn always means a complete reversal. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this common English phrase. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning content, and leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.